Rabbit got carrot. 1 carrot. Rabbit happy, proud, but rabbit want more carrot. 1 not enough. Rabbit tired to be small carrot rabbit. Rabbit go jungle. Crypto lender live there. Rabbit say, hey, look, my crypto carrot. It's shiny. Give me more carrot, please. Lender say, okay, but if your carrot go bad, we take it. Rabbit say, deal. Then hop away with 10 new carrots. Rabbit feel rich. Maybe buy more crypto. Maybe buy NFT carrot on skateboard. So cool, life is good, but jungle rules. Not kind. If crypto carrot go up, rabbit win. Rabbit pay loan, get shiny carrot back. Rabbit feel like carrot boss. If crypto carrot go down. Lender say, oops, liquidation now. They take rabbit carrot, sell it. No, sorry. No hug. Rabbit cry. Now 0 carrots, just sit. No food, just regrets. It like you give big carrot to borrow small carrot, ... And pray price no fall while you blink. Why rabbit do this? Sometime rabbit need fast carrot, no want sell old carrot. Other time, ... Rabbit just crazy. Like gamble, no brain. Just dream. Crypto loan, not magic. Just fancy pawn shop. You give carrot, hope, get more. But easy to end with nothing. Just grass. Dinner. Be smart, or lose all carrot. Be hungry, subscribe, or we use your carrot as loan forever.